Since this is transferable, pwede mong ibigay sa anak. Kunwari, hindi na rin mag-aaral yung anak, ipamigay mo. Anak ng driver mo, sa pamangkin mo, anak ng katulong, or to whoever, pwede mo ipantulong. Pag binigay mo sa tutulungan mo, o yung anak mo, scholar na, discounted
So that schools under that alliance will honor that discount.
As long as yung certificate may present before the enrollment nila.
Before enrollment.
And that discount is not just for one sem. It's for the whole
Entire
course. So kung bibigyan mo ng valuation
Mabigat
yun,
yan, mabigat
yes, kung
yan.
bibigyan mo ng valuation yun,
Yeah.
minimum is 20,000 of value na natipid ng magulang.
Right. So bawing-bawi doon.
Bawing,
doon pa lang.
value for money, sabi nga ni Francis.
Okay. Another sender. I have my own clinic here in Makati. AIM Global products are really good. It dissolved my cyst on my right hand coming from Dr. Winston Guico.
Doktor pa yan.
Doktor, ano? Nakakagamot ba ang mga produkto nyo? Bakit nilalagay pag minsan merong warning, no therapeutic,
No approved.
no approved?
Therapeutic. Because
claims.
our products are really just supplements. Supplements that enhances our body. So, sabi nga 'di ba ng the father of medicine, 'di ba? Ang katawan natin naman talaga ang nagpapagaling ng mga
Yes,
karamdaman. Bigyan mo lang ng panahon to heal itself. The problem is at times imbalance yung hormones mo, marami kang free radicals, marami kang toxin. Yung mga supplements nakakatulong. Nakakatulong mabalanse yung hormones, nakakatulong matanggal yung mga toxin. In return, at ang end result niyan, pwedeng matulungan yung mga sakit. So we're not saying tanggalin mo yung gamot sa high blood, tanggalin mo yung gamot sa diabetes, tanggalin mo yung gamot sa arthritis. Ituloy mo lang yan. I-supplement mo lang itong mga food supplement or mga herbals.
Okay. To Doc Ed, then I think even si Francis should or can answer this. As officers of your company, have you ever seen the site of the plantation? How big is the area coming from certain Colonel Casañas? Siguro yung kumpanya yung Nature's
Manufacturing plant.
Yung manufacturing plant. Have you guys
Yes.
seen the manufacturing plant?
100%. Every year, pinupuntahan namin yan kasama yung mga top distributors.
Hindi lang kayo.
Hindi lang kami.
Minsan twice a year pa.
Oo. And besides, ayoko uminom ng isang product na hindi maiinom ng anak ko dahil hindi ko nakita yung plantation. So, to have a peace of mind, kami muna iinom, and then family namin, at syempre, importante, makita mo paano siya ginagawa.
Right.
Para
Malaking
meron kang peace
bagay
of
yun,
mind.
ano? Yes, dapat laging merong inventory, tsaka kung paano ginagawa. And sa Amerika, medyo mahigpit sila, kaya nga bumagsak dito sa Asia, yung mga mumurahin, pero delikado naman.
Actually, when we were negotiating with our partner na Nature's Way, yun ang sinabi sa akin ni Francis eh. Doc, i-negotiate mo na, mapuntahan muna natin yung manufacturing plant before we sign the agreement. So, lumipad muna kami. Nakita muna namin yung manufacturing plant. Nung makita namin na, okay to, they're creating a lot of supplement on a daily basis, hindi tayo maubusan ng stocks. Tapos maganda yung manufacturing facility. May mga doctors sila at mga scientists at mga botanists and biologists na for their research and development. Tapos certified sila ng FDA at may GMP sila at may iba pa sila mga
Ipaalala natin ulit yung GMP. Kasi
GMP,
that's,
Good Manufacturing Practice. Hindi kasi lahat ng manufacturing plant may GMP.
Right.
Hindi
Iba,
lahat.
madumi ang
lahat.
paligid, o
Hindi
kaya
lahat.
minamadali.
Tapos para sa mga kapatid natin, mga Muslim sa Visayas, Mindanao, halal certified din yung mga products natin. So nung makita namin yung lahat ng mga requirements na yun, tapos sinubukan namin yung product, yun nga, yung misis ko, buntis pa nung time na yun, nilaklak yung products, mas tumalino yung mga yung mga anak ko nung inilabas, sabi ko, ito na yung product na inaabangan natin.
Right. Yung company doon sa Amerika,
Supplier.
your supplier, they're stable also, as stable as
Yes,
you
they are actually 45 years na, Arman. 45 years in terms of manufacturing experience. So, ganun sila ka-stable.
Can I ask a sensitive question? I hope you can answer, but you may refuse to answer. Kayo ba nagbabayad doon sa kumpanya? Baka naman malaki ang utang niyo doon sa kumpanya.
Ako sagutin ko
Sige,
yan as the
your
finance
vice-
director.
As head of finance.
Mahigpit kausap ang mga puti, lalo na yung aming kapartner. So bago nila kami padala ng produkto, kailangan magbayad ka muna through their bank-to-bank transaction, and then maghintay ka ng mga 1 or 2 weeks yung shipment. Ganun ang kanilang patakaran. Since day 1, mag-start kami. Hanggang ngayon.
After 5 years of giving them billions of sales,
Bayad
they're not giving
mo
you
na,
credit? They're not giving you credit?
wala kaming credit.
Hindi uso ang consignment sa mga foreigners eh. Alam mo naman,
right.
actually ang nature ng business natin kung hihimayin mo pa lumalabas. importer-distributor kami.
Yes.
And when you talk about import business, hindi pwede ganyong, pwede ba deliver ka muna tsaka na kami magbabayad?
Yes, yes.
So usually may mga tinatawag na LC or
Yes,
letter
letter
of
of
credit,
credit.
na it is good as cash. Parang binayaran mo na rin sila ng cash tapos tsaka lang darating yung product.
Do you use LC?
Yes, we use
LC.
LC with a lot of our banks.
Okay. Coming from JV, ito magandang segue ito dun sa gusto natin pag-usapan na for this segment. What is the kind of scheme or system do AIM Global has? Multi-level or binary? Siguro discuss muna natin yung different marketing schemes. Ano ba ang different marketing scheme na ginagamit ng isang direct selling company?
Marami yan, Arman. May binary, may
Dalawa.
unilevel,
Okay.
merong stair-step, at meron ding matrix. So, ang kinuha namin, yung tatlo,
Okay.
na
Can we
which is very important.
differentiate the three? Ano
Binary-
po itong tatlo na to, Sir Francis?
Number one, yung binary compensation plan
Binary, then second is
Unilevel.
Unilevel.
and stair-step.
Okay, what's
Stair-step.
the binary?
Ang binary, dalawang structure mo. Isang group sa left at isang group sa right. Very manageable na marketing plan.
Okay.
So every time na may magbebenta ng package, may kikitain yung nag-invite or kung sino yung sponsor.
Okay.
Yun yung binary compensation plan. Yung unilevel, sa 10th generation, yung dinassign namin, hanggang 10th generation, halimbawa, na-invite kita, may na-invite kang isa, hanggang umabot ng 10.
Okay.
Lahat ng binibili nila na items at nauubos or nako-consume, meron kang rebate doon or overriding.
That is cash that I
Yes,
collect.
of course.
Of course.
Okay.
Tapos sa stair-step naman, ito yung
Grupo-grupo.
group incentive. Kung may malaking sales yung grupo mo, tumaas yung position mo, meron ka na namang override. So, tatlong marketing plan yon in one setup.
Okay. Doon tayo sa binary ha. Meron akong mga konting naintindihan doon sa binary. Pag meron ako nakuha, ilalagay ko sa left, ilalagay ko sa
You
right.
have an option kung saan mo gusto ilagay.
Ako may option, hindi kayo. Hindi yung
Hindi
kumpanya.
The distributor actually is the one who register their network in the website. So sila yung nasusunod. Kasi tapos to yung generation ng kunwari, bili tayo, sali tayo. Saan tayo bibili? Diyan sa office. Paano yung application paper natin?
Submit.
Company na yung mag-encode yan. Ito
No,
balik.
yung mga noon ganyan. Eh.
Noon, ganon. Ngayon, iba na. So, pag bumili ka ng products, may matatanggap kang maliit na piraso ng papel o ng card na may mga numbers doon na yun ang i-encode mo sa website. Pag in-encode mo sa website, yun automatically, nasa member na siya ng family tree mo or kung reorder